Uh, A number. I mean, give me some sugar, please. Sneha, give me some sugar, please. Which one is adjective and is it number or quantity?
Some.
Some, number or quantity?
Number. Lol.
Number. Okay. It's
Number.
actually. So this is how we decide, Sneha. If it is countable, if it is number can be counted, right? If it is uncountable, quantity. Understood? Okay, so
So what is it?
some
Number or
talks about
quantity?
sugar, some talks about sugar, but does it talks about the quantity of sugar or number of sugar? सम भन्नाले कतिवटा सुगर भनेर बुझिन्छ कि कति सुगर?
Good morning, sir.
गुड मर्निङ जबदा. So yes, Sneha.
Some means sticker.
Some means no, I mean कतिवटा भन्छ कि कति भन्छ के? There is a difference in
Good
कतिवटा.
morning, sir.
Sir, can I say our second number?
Wait, I will talk about second number when we talk about second number. So Sneha, so quantity or quality? If it is some sugar, are we talking about counting the sugar or kati sugar matra? We are not leaving the counting. मतलब गन्न मिल्ने चीज हो र sugar. So it's
Quantity?
yes, quantity. It's not number, right? Because when you say some, you don't mean katiwata, right? You say many, that means katiwata, right? Dhere hota. So when you say some, you don't mean with number, you are talking about quantity. Ganna milne cheez haina. When you ask for water, you don't ask many water. You ask some water or you ask a little more water. You never ask many water. So that's the difference. If it is water, it's quantity. If it is apple, number. So you can ask for many apple, 2 apple, 3 apple. So that's the idea that we're trying to stick on to and do this. Okay, 2 number, Jasmine. David is the first boy of our class.
David is the first boy of our class. First and
First,
number.
number, correct. So first is dealing with number. So I will say personally it's quality, you know, first is not a number thing. It's a quality that you have. You're a first, second, but now we are dealing with numbers, so number. Okay, C number. I have.
Sir, first is the number.
Yes, first is a number. Yes, but I don't take first boy as a number. First is not telling us about the number of the boy. First is telling us about the quality of the boy. So according to me, it should be adjective of quality. So because adjective talks about nouns, and if they talk about quality, it's adjective of quality. If they talk about quantity of noun, it is adjective of quantity. If it talks about number of noun, then it is adjective of number. But yeah, first is number of that noun. That is also okay. Okay, I am willing to take that. Okay, I have much work to do. C number, Ranjan. I have much work.
Much.
Quality, quantity or number?
What?
Quantity or number?
Quantity.
Quantity, right? I heard you, Kavya. Ke bujhena, Kavya? Quantity is correct. It's not talking about katiwada kam. It's talking about dhere kam. It's much. Okay, Kavya, what is it that you don't understand? We can have a discussion.
Nothing.
No, you need to ask, like, yaha chahi bujhena, yo chahi bujhena, and it'll be more helpful. Nothing bhanechi tab sab shuru garne. And that will be like, middle of exercise correction, and you want me to start everything. So when the adjective, you just need to ask, is that adjective talking about the number of sugar or just quantity of sugar? Not talking about kati vada sugar, just talking about kati sugar. You're mute, but okay. So this is the difference, right? So if it is talking about number of that noun, adjective talks about noun, right? If it talks about the number of that noun, then it's called adjective of number. If it talks about quantity only, not number, कतिवटा भन्दैन, खाली कति भन्छ, गन्न नमिल्ने quantity भन्छ. In that case, we are taking quantity. Does that help? Does that make things clear? No. By the look of your face, no. Okay, that's all I can say. I can keep repeating that, but I don't think that's going to help. Kavya, just we'll go with more. I think it's easy to understand in sugar. You know, some sugar does not mean कि मलाई 10 वटा 15 वटा sugar देऊ. It's not about the number. It's about aligati. It's about quantity. So it's easy to understand there. So if I say give me 5 apple, it's number, not quantity. Quantity. कति भन्दा पनि कति ओटासँग चाहिँ related छ. If I say give me 5 apple, does that help? Does that make sense?
It makes
I
sense.
think she want to say something.
Yes, but she's mute, and I hope she knows that muting and saying something is. Yes.
Quantity हो कि number हो?
कुन चाहिँ?
Sugar.
Sugar.
Sugar is noun. We are not talking about quantity of noun. We are talking about adjective. So we are talking some को चाहिँ कुरा गरेर हो. Sugar भने त चिनी हो. And we are not talking about sugar here. We are talking about some. Some ले चाहिँ sugar को number भन्छ कि. Okay, so this is how you understand है त. Adjectives हरुले noun को बारेमा केही कुरा भन्छ, right? That we know. Now, अब हामी यो दुईटा type of adjective को कुरा गर्दै छौं, quantity and number. So noun को बारेमा यदि quantity भन्छ भने adjective of quantity हो. Noun को बारेमा कतिवटा छ भनेर number भन्छ भने adjective of number हो. So sugar noun हो, some adjective हो. यसले quantity भनिरहेछ कि number भनिरहेछ sugar को बारेमा. So sugar को quantity भनिरहेछ, sugar को number भनिरहेछ छैन. कतिवटा sugar भनिरहेछ छैन कि कति sugar चाहिँ भनिरहेछ. So that's why this is adjective of quantity. All right, Kavya? Okay, I take it's all right now because I'm not getting anything from her. If there is anything else, Kavya, you can ask. I am willing to elaborate on what I just said. Okay, much Ranjan correct. Now we're going to D number. Kanchan, the teacher corrected several mistakes.
Sir, several.
Number or quantity?
Number त हुँदैन, quantity होला.
So that's where you got it wrong. It's number. Several means ota mistake. It's धेरै ota mistake. It's like, you know, गर्न मिल्ने. It's like saying many mistake. When you say many mistake, you can count mistake. It shows that you can count, and we go for number, something that can be counted. But I understand what you're doing, right? यसले चाहिँ कति मिस्टेक छ भनिरहेछ न कि कति हो. So just try to understand कतिवटा हो कि कति हो. Okay. Next one. There are many rivers in Nepal. Aditya, there are many rivers in Nepal.
के भन्छ? There are many rivers. Number?
Which one?
Many.
Many, right? Many is number. All right. I will just underline numbers and circle quantity. Right? That's how you understand which is which. Okay. For next one, I'm going with Ellen. Ellen.
Sir, may I go to toilet?
Go to toilet. Ellen, we have enough food for everyone.
Number?
Which one?
Number, everyone.
Everyone. So this is where you are wrong. Adjective है everyone त. Adjective भनेको noun को बारेमा केही भन्ने चीज हो. Everyone is not an adjective. अब यो adjective of number हुन सक्दैन.
Enough.
Enough adjective of number or quantity? Number
Quantity.
Quantity. Very good. It does not tell us कतिवटा. It tells कति, right? Not कति.
पुग्नु छ. हामीसँग पुग्ने छ.
पुग्ने छ, right? Yes, very good, Ellen. Correct. Okay, an ant has 8 legs. Kavya, an ant has 8 legs. Kavya, is that you? Hold on. An ant has 8 legs. Huh? What did you say, Kavya? Did she say something? Didn't? Okay. I don't know. The video is turned off. All right. I'm going with someone else.
Yay. Safalta? Okay. Sir, 8 is number.
8 is number. Oh, 8? Yes, number. So this is what I mean. 8 ले चाहिँ लेग को बारेमा भनिरहेछ तर लेग कतिवटा छ भनेर भनिरहेछ, right? So it's number. So this is how we know number and quantity. कतिवटा भन्यो भने number, कति मात्र भन्यो भने quantity. Okay, all the children have gone home. Akash, all the children have gone home. Akash, all the children have gone home.
All.
Number or quantity?
Quantity.
Okay, it's number because children are countable. So yeah,
Yes.
this is confusing. I get it.
All. All no. All is quantity.
Yes.
No.
It can be quantity if you use all the water is gone, it's quantity. All the children, it's number. So yeah, it's a confusion
Yes.
that way. So let's make it
There
quantity.
is
Yes.
no confusion
If it is
in all.
strictly number, okay, let's make a decision. If it's strictly number, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's how if it is anything else, make it quantity. Let's do that. We'll make it easy. Things easy. Okay, a year has 12 months. Rosen, a year has 12 months.
12. Adjective of number.
Yes, this is easy. Here are some boys and girls. Apeksha.
Can I?
Apeksha.
Some quantity.
Some quantity. Okay, yes, let's make it quantity. Let's deal with it like that. Okay, so that makes several is also quantity because it does not tell us exactly number. Many will also be quantity. Let's make it quantity. It is number, it's number, otherwise it's quantity. It's very confusing otherwise. Okay. I hope that is it. And after I start the recording, what I want to say is, uh, so there is a times at times this, that, and these are not demonstrative either. So for if I say this is a cat, this is this is a cat. If I say this is a cat, here this is not demonstrative adjective. It is not even an adjective here. Because this is not talking about noun, it itself is doing something. It's like saying a boy is running or a boy is here. So, something is means that thing is being something. So here it is not an adjective. It is not talking about anything, right? So it's not an adjective. Sometimes they cannot be adjective, but when they are, if I write it like this and pointing out a noun, they are talking about a noun in this sentence. This cat, this
You said before recording or what?
no
You
no
are
I
recording right now.
yes, I'm recording now. This cat is here. So in above sentence, the sentence at the top, by top I mean this sentence, this is not adjective, it's a pronoun. It is itself something that is doing something. But here, this is talking about cat. So here it is demonstrative adjective. Here it's demonstrative pronoun. Both place demonstrating, it's pointing out. But in one case, it is pronoun. In another case, when it talks about a noun, it is adjective. So this is what I want to tell you. Right? In all these examples, you can see demonstrative pronoun, adjective is talking about some noun that is next to his. This table, those men, that house, these students, such good.
Hello sir, what are we doing? Hello.
That's cool. So all these things are you just listening, Akash, listening. Okay. So this is that school, such hardworking person, those pictures. So in all of them, they are talking about some nouns. So you always need to figure out what they are talking about. Are they talking about something or are they doing some work by themselves? So if they are doing the work themselves, they are nouns or pronouns, right? Something does work, it is a thing that does a work. So it's a noun or pronoun. But if it is talking about noun, like this cat, that table, then it's adjective and then it's demonstrative adjective. So just don't get confused. All right. It's not always adjective. It's only adjective when it talks about noun. All right. Having said that, we'll move on with the correction. A number, Ellen. Ellen, A number. This table is big. Ellen?
Mana anubhav, sir?
Yes. This table is big.
This.
Okay. B number, Sajbi. Those men are working since 8 a.m.
Those.
Those, okay. Those men, right? They are, because they are talking about those men. Men ko bare mein pointing out the men's. So they are,
Sir, can I say of C number?
okay,
Sir, can I
Safalta
say of C
C. Safalta
number?
C. Safalta C.
That house belongs to
Okay.
David. That.
JJ's.
माउस पोइन्टर
JJ's D.
चाहिए
JJ's D. JJ's D. And notice this house and all the nouns they are talking about, right? The house, man, are something that.
Sir, can I say he is not?
JJ's D number. If you cannot answer in chat. Okay, he's answering in chat. No, Apeksha is.
Here, right? Sir, he's not here, I think.
JJ's, if you're not talking back, you'll be absent. Okay, JJ's is absent. Okay, D number. D number. Okay, yes, Jasmine, D number.
These house belong to David.
These students.
Sir, I will say of E
That is
number,
C
right?
number.
Students are intelligent, sir.
C number.
These students are intelligent. Okay, it's C number that you just said. These houses is 7. C number and D number mixed. Okay. Next, Akash. Akash, E number.
Okay, sir. Such.
Such good children, right? They are talking about good children. Such is talking about good children. Good is also adjective, right? Adjective of quality. Talking about quality of children. So good is also adjective, but such is demonstrative. Okay, Merisha, F number. Merisha, F number. Kavya, what is it?
Sir, can I?
Wait, Kavya is trying to say something. Kavya, can I? Okay, Kavya.
That.
Huh?
That.
That bane. Lala, that school. Okay, yes, that is pointing out the school, which is now.
Sir, can I say?
No. You cannot do can I say now. I'm going to choose Merisha. Merisha.
He won't say.
Considered absent for today if she's not replying. She's not. These people are. Oh, I'm angry with these people now. I'm going to give them minus. They come to the class until you ask them. It may be their, father, brother. I don't know who it is. Joining the class, and when you ask, they'll leave. No video, nothing. Okay, this is not good.
Hello,
Okay.
somebody's brother or somebody's sister or somebody's father. Hello, and तपाईँहरूको बच्चा हो कि छोरी हो कि बहिनी हो कि जसलाई बहिनी पठाइदिनु.
Okay.
What I did know.
Okay. Thank you for that. Next, I'm going with who haven't. Naitik, G number.
G number such.
Yes, such a hard-working person. Here there are two adjectives. Eh? Such is also adjective. Hard-working is also an adjective. It is adjective of quality. Such is the answer that we need. There is hard-working also, which is adjective.
Work पनि हो.
No, त्यो चाहिँ adjective of quality हो, तर यसलाई लेख्नु पर्दैन. I'm just giving you extra information.
Okay.
Okay, last one, Apeksha H. Those pictures, talking about pictures. So this is how you find out demonstrative adjective, right? Ranjan, next time. I thought you were suffering from something and I didn't ask. No, didn't want to give you pressure. Send you to toilet again. Okay, so all right. Next, we have another adjective. Okay, I haven't even cropped this page, so sorry. I'm gonna do it now.
Stop recording.
Oh, sorry.